Good afternoon. Today we're showing you a very cute, very nice A-Liner Expedition Extreme Off-Road Edition. It's a 2021, but it's only been used 3 times, so it's basically brand new. I don't see scratches, I don't see anything that indicates any problems. What we're looking at right here is a neat little stove that can mount outside or inside. It's a 2-burner, and that's shown in the photos. Underneath the stove there is an air conditioner furnace heat pump, but unlike some, this one also has I believe it's a 16,000 BTU propane furnace as well. So if you want a boondock, you can do that with propane. There's the outside unloading of the cassette toilet, which it has inside. It has no black water tank, but it does have gray water, at least 11 gallons, and 11 gallons of fresh water. Small storage area out here. We'll pop it down later, but I wanted to do this walk around while it was still up. Okay, you got tight quarters with some stickers, but it is pre-wired for solar, battery charger. It comes with the option of 2 20-pound propane tanks. You can see it's very nice. The seller did something ingenious. He painted the ball white so that when he's backing up with his camera, he has a better target to line up with. I thought that was pretty clever. It has the crank down stabilizer jacks, and it's a crank down tongue jack. For the stabilizer jacks, it takes a 3/4 inch socket and a cordless drill, and you have a power stabilizer. Has the outside shower, has a small refrigerator on the inside. We'll take a look. All that folds down. The tires are the originals. They're dated 2020. Again, it's only been on the road 3 times. I wouldn't even try to guess how many miles are on the tires, but they look great. No damage at all. 30 amp service, outside TV hookup. It has your fresh water fill and city water fill right there, and a small water heater. Now I'm going to sneak around here. It does have a spare, which is always a nice thing to have. Again, the manual scissors in the back, a nice window in the back. You can see that it has the diamond plate front and back panels. And here I go trying to walk around in these tight corners, and here we are back at the rear where you can see the stove. I'll lift that up so you can take a look. It's a 2-burner stove. It looks like it's never been used, but maybe it's been lit once or twice. Everything, I don't see scratches. I don't see any evidence of anywhere on this rig. It's beautiful. So here we have it, a 2021 A-Liner. Take a quick look on the inside since we're here. You get to see my hand. Here's the front. It's been modified a little. This one will sleep 2 people, maybe 3. It's just that they added and they strapped that container in there and put drawers in. They also added dresser drawers in here, so you have a place to put stuff. Yes, the Keurig does come with it, I'm told. There's a small fridge, the furnace, the sink. The top, the cassette toilet is hidden nicely there. We also have the bed that it can be used as 2 twins, or it could be set up with slats in the middle to make that a much larger bed. So there you have it. It does have a power fan in there as well. So there you have it, the 2021 A-Liner Expedition off-road edition in very nice shape. And if you're interested, please give us a call or text or email to the email address on the ad. Thank you for looking today.